Hey guys, we're back again with the air conditioners. My little workshop. This time I'm on my noob account because I didn't know my YouTube password on my other account. Other account I'll be still posting, but not really. I'm probably on this account, not really. But we're gonna start off with the Gold Star 6000. 6,500 GWHD 6507RY7. 6,500 BTUs. We're gonna start it on low fan. Alright, we're gonna start on low fan. Can't really see the fan motor, really. Alright, we start it up on low fan. Is the wrapping actually still on this? No, the wrapping's not on. We're gonna fan 2. Fan 2, medium, high, back to low. I actually do not have a remote for this, but I do have an LG remote on my LG 6000 that I got for Christmas. Alright, we're gonna shut it down. Right back. The compressor won't kick on. We can't get it to go on because it's really cold. Alright, shutting down. Gold Star 6000. Alright, on to the next one. Gotta unplug it first. Alright, on to the Arctic King 5000. No click. Here's my LG 5000, which is a different comparison to my LG 6000. The compressors are different, and the grills. I mean, this has the buttons and stuff. This one has the 5. This is a 5000, so this has knobs. Come here to the data sheet. Oh, to the data sheet. There we go. Now, we're gonna do this one next. We're gonna do the 5000 LG next. We're still gonna start on low fan. Alright, we're gonna start Arctic King. See, like, no click. We're gonna start on low fan. I do not have my temp gun with me. It's ice cold. That's friggin' ice. High fan. I think the bearings are starting to get bad. Alright, now off. When that gets back to getting hot, we are gonna kick on the compressor. We're gonna kick the compressor on. I'm still gonna keep these units. Because I keep units. Alright, onto the LG 5000 BTU. Low fan. I like to keep the cooling segment this way. Here. Here's high, fan only high. It's cold. Back to low. Now, this has a newer LG roller. Or just an LG compressor. This is my unit. I don't know if I'm gonna use it next year because this is gonna be for like videos and stuff. Again. Alright, we're gonna shut it down. Alright, that's pretty much it. So hope you guys liked the video. Enjoy.